Vaccination excitement in Maryland. Governor Hogan calling it a hopeful day as some senior care facilities started administering the COVID-19 vaccine to their residents and staff. WJZ is live. Avajoy Burnett was at one facility as the first residents and staff got what could be a life-saving shot. Avajoy?
Hi, Rachel. Good evening to you. Well, at this point, more than 10,000 people here in the state of Maryland have already gotten that first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. And as you mentioned, that includes people who work at healthcare facilities and also people who live in senior care facilities. This is a big deal for that very vulnerable population. This moment right here marked a major milestone in Maryland. The first resident at a senior living facility to get the COVID-19 vaccine. 70-year-old Samuel Cushing is also a COVID-19 survivor. Second in line was 95-year-old Carolyn Diggs.
Oh yes, I was wanting to be first in line.
By the end of the day, 100% of the residents and about 80% of staff here at Franklin Wood Center will get the shot.
The pressure is off because now that I finally got it, I feel relieved.
Many nursing homes have been the epicenter of this pandemic because the virus attacks people with compromised immune systems. Take a look at this data from the Maryland Department of Health. People 60 and older are 4 times more likely to die from COVID-19.
It is a hopeful day with these vaccines, these vials of hope that are now arriving at all of our nursing homes all across the state.
This facility in Sykesville also received vaccine doses today, and the rollout will continue to other facilities across the state in the coming days. Johns Hopkins also announced that it received its first doses of the Moderna vaccine. That means it now has 2 vaccines here and ready to go. CVS and Walgreens have also teamed up with the state to administer the shots at senior living facilities.
I feel wonderful. Just a little prick and that was it.
And here in Baltimore County, they're wasting no time getting out those shots to people who really need it. We're at the fairgrounds right now. They have about 1,000 shots that will be going to frontline workers and first responders. Live at 5, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.